Hello, in this video we will show you how to add and edit menu widget and its buttons. Grab a menu widget from the drag and drop menu and place it to the preferred position. Save your changes. Click the pencil icon to edit the menu. Go to text icon to set the font style, and size. Set the letter case and click Done and back. Go to General to edit the general settings. Click Item, Normal, to set the text color for the normal state of the buttons. Click Item, Hover, to set the text color for the hover state of the buttons. Click Item, Pressed, to set the text color for the pressed state of the buttons. Go to Border to edit button borders. Click Item, Normal, to choose border position, width, and color for the normal state of the buttons. Click Item, Hover, to choose border position, width, and color for the hover state of the buttons. Click Item, Pressed, to choose border position, width, and color for the pressed state of the buttons. Check Mark Active Page, so that the current page you're at will be marked. Go to Buttons Editor, to drag and drop a button, and place it in the menu. Type the name of the button in the marked area. Click Done and back. Click the pencil icon to edit the button. Name this button too. Save your changes. Now add a sub-item. Set the button's name. Save your changes. Go to Navigation, to navigate and preview your page. Hover over the About Us button, and see that our new sub-item or sub-button appears. Go to Widgets Editor and click to edit the menu item. Go to General. Check Format Painter, and click the button which style you want to copy, and then click the button on which you want to paste it. Once you are done, click Done and back, and save your changes.